how to add Google AdSense to Blogger blog. So from here, from the left hand side, we want to click on earnings, and you will be given this option to create an AdSense account if you don't already have one. If you have an AdSense account, you can click on this article and it will take us through the process of connecting it. Here we want to click on create AdSense account, and it's going to pop up like so. It's going to automatically fill out the website URL with our blog, and we can either confirm to get customized help or not. I'm going to click on not, and then here we have to select our website, or I'm sorry, our country. So I'm going to do the United Kingdom, and it's going to prompt us with the terms and conditions for the United Kingdom. So once you have read through them, then you want to click on I have read and accept the agreements and start using AdSense. So now this will have created an AdSense account for you. So now if we go back to Blogger and refresh this, then it will give us this option. Looks like you have an AdSense account. To start using AdSense, you can start earning from ads, connect your blog to AdSense. So if we click on this connect AdSense button, then it will automatically connect it for us and take us through the reviewing process. So for some publishers, the activation process can be as quick as a day, and for others it can take several weeks. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.